Welcome to the ultimate guide to ChatGPT integration with Microsoft's new Bing Search AI Chatbot. In this video, we will show you how to make the most out of this powerful tool. To get started, access the Bing Search AI Chatbot by visiting the Bing Search website. Look for the chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on it to open the chat window. Once the chatbot opens, you can start engaging in natural conversations. Ask it questions, seek recommendations, or request information on various topics just like you would with a human assistant. To take full advantage of the ChatGPT integration, you can even make search queries directly in the chat window. Simply type your query, and the chatbot will provide you with search results instantly. Make your experience even better by personalizing the chatbot to cater to your preferences. Click on the settings icon to access options like language, preferences, and more. Stay up to date with the latest trends by asking the chatbot about the trending topics. It can provide you with information about popular searches, news, and current events. Explore the chatbot's useful features such as translation, calculator, unit converter, and more. Simply ask the chatbot to translate a phrase, solve a math problem, or convert measurements. Your feedback is important to make the chatbot even smarter. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions for improvement, simply click on the feedback button to share your thoughts. Now that you know the basics, enjoy the convenience of having a virtual assistant at your fingertips. The Bing Search AI Chatbot is here to assist you 24/7 and make your search experience effortless. Thanks for watching this ultimate guide to ChatGPT integration with Microsoft's Bing Search AI Chatbot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and updates.